Good afternoon, everybody around the world. It's 6:21 p.m. The weather temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. I am in Bo of Sadak in Bowenbank Tamba Garden in my house, 316 Geoffrey House, Paduno Street, SE140W in England. I wanted to let you know that you see the bowler, when they put the bowler in your kitchen, and mine is in the kitchen, but the back of the bowler is in neighbor's property. It's facing the back of the bowler is on the neighbor's wall, the wall that separates me and the neighbor. You know what I mean? Sometimes, you know what I mean, the ball is working and next minute, the mine today, it was working. Yesterday was working, today was working. I was about to get the shower, the ball stopped working. But this NC there, you know what I mean? Tomorrow morning I'm gonna call the council and see to, you know what's going on. But I just wanted to make sure, next time when they're doing bowler like this in the kitchen, yeah, make sure it's on the wall facing outside. Because on the wall separating you and neighbor, you never know behind the ball or what's going on there, you know what I mean? My ball is not working today, you know what I mean? I shower in